Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play expert-level Sudoku. We will move beyond basic strategies like single candidate elimination and dive into more sophisticated methods. These techniques are essential for solving the toughest puzzles, often rated 5 stars for difficulty. You will learn to spot intricate patterns and analyze candidate numbers with greater precision, making even the most challenging grids solvable. Let's start with naked and hidden subsets, fundamental to expert play. A naked pair, for instance, means 2 cells in a unit share only 2 candidates, say 1 and 2, eliminating 1 and 2 from other cells in that unit. Hidden subsets are trickier. A hidden triple might mean 3 cells in a unit are the only places a specific set of 3 candidates can go. Mastering these will significantly reduce your candidate options. Next, we explore X-wing and swordfish patterns, which are powerful elimination tools. An X-wing involves a candidate appearing in exactly 2 cells in 2 different rows, aligning in the same 2 columns. This allows you to eliminate that candidate from other cells in those 2 columns. A swordfish extends this concept to 3 rows and 3 columns, offering even broader candidate removal opportunities across the grid. Finally, let's discuss forcing chains and strategic guessing, often employed when other methods stall. A forcing chain involves assuming a number in a cell and following the logical deductions it creates. If this leads to a contradiction, your initial assumption was incorrect. While not strictly guessing, it's a systematic trial-and-error approach, best used sparingly on the most stubborn, 5-star puzzles to break deadlocks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.